In the heart of a busy town full of honking horns and rainbow chalk drawings, there stood a little yellow shoe shop with a crooked blue door and a squeaky wooden sign that read, Miss Melody's Magical Shoe Shop, one pair can take you anywhere. One breezy afternoon, three best friends, Evelyn, James, and Lucas, were exploring their neighborhood when they spotted the shop. Evelyn gasped. I've never seen that store before. James blinked. It looks magical. Lucas leaned closer. Let's go inside. Inside, the shop sparkled with light. Glittery sandals spun slowly in the air, boots bounced gently on their shelves, and sneakers hummed softly to themselves. Suddenly, a cheerful voice called, Welcome, adventurers. Out stepped Miss Melody, with silver hair like moonlight and shoes that lit up when she walked. Today, she said with a wink, you may each choose one pair. But be warned, these shoes come with rhythm and magic. You must dance to make them work. The kids looked at each other, excited. Evelyn chose sparkly purple shoes with golden laces. As soon as she stepped into them, tap tap swish, her feet began to twirl. Suddenly, whoosh, the world shimmered and changed. Evelyn found herself in a magical ballroom floating in the sky. Music drifted from the clouds, and stars twinkled like disco balls. She danced with moonbeams and spun across cloud floors, her laughter echoing like bells. Who knew my feet could fly, she giggled. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!